Curio Lab.
Which of these is an excavator? Which of these is an excavator? With its long dipper arm and bucket, it can shovel a lot of dirt and soil.
Look at this big arm and the bucket, just like a giant scoop. It digs into the ground with a mighty crunch and lifts up the soil to carry it away. It's truly a hero at the very start of every building site.
Which of these is an aeroplane? Which of these is an aeroplane? Aeroplanes can fly long distances, carrying many people with lots of luggage.
Aeroplanes have wheels underneath that are used during takeoff and landing. Once in the air, the wheels are tucked away, making the plane look neat and streamlined.
Which of these is a bus? Which of these is a bus? This is a double-decker bus in London. It has seating on the upper deck, so lots of people can ride together.
Wow, it's big and red, just like a moving house. When you climb up to the top deck, you can see the whole city, and it almost feels like you're flying through the sky.
Which of these is a motorcycle? Which of these is a motorcycle? It's a racing bike from Grand Prix motorcycle racing. It can reach speeds of 350 kilometers per hour.
A racing bike is a super-powered machine built for speed. It zooms along special tracks called circuits, racing as fast as the wind.
Which of these is a freight train? Which of these is a freight train? Freight trains can travel long distances, carrying lots of cargo.
Freight trains pull lots of containers and tank wagons, so they're incredibly long. Sometimes they're even longer than the station platform, stretching so far you can't see the end. Unlike passenger trains, freight trains often don't stop at stations. They just keep going straight ahead.
Which of these is a ship? Which of these is a ship? It's a cargo ship, also called a freighter vessel. It can carry many containers across the ocean.
On the ship, rows of square containers are lined up, each packed full of goods. These containers are lifted by cranes and placed onto the dock, or loaded back onto the ship. Cargo ships are enormous. Some are as tall as buildings.
Which of these is a space rocket? Which of these is a space rocket? It's the Space Shuttle, an American groundbreaking spacecraft that could be used multiple times until 2011.
10,
DLS is go for main engine start.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And booster ignition and liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery, taking the space station to full power for full science.
This is Mission Control Houston.
Discovery roll program.
Roger roll, Discovery.
Discovery's roll maneuver is complete. It is now in a heads-down position on track for its flight to the International Space Station. Discovery flying 365 miles per hour, 1.5 miles in altitude, 7 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. Discovery's engines are throttling down as the orbiter passes through the area of maximum pressure on the vehicle.
Bye-bye. See you again.